Hey everyone! Today we're diving into something super handy for business pros, the Management Reporting and Analysis AI agent in Delaverse. Imagine pulling together reports from different teams effortlessly and getting smart insights without the hassle. This agent saves you time, spots trends, and keeps everyone in the loop with clear summaries. Let's see how you can set it up and make your management game stronger. What's the big idea? This AI agent acts like your personal analyst, gathering data from HR notes, sales figures, and marketing updates to create unified reports. It's perfect for spotting opportunities, tracking performance, and making informed decisions quickly. No more sifting through endless docs, just actionable insights right at your fingertips, boosting your team's efficiency and transparency. Getting started. Access it in Delaverse. Head over to your Delaverse playground if you're new. Just log in and create a fresh project. You can start from scratch or grab a ready-made template if available. From there, it's as easy as dragging in the building blocks to assemble your agent. Think of it like setting up a custom dashboard that runs on autopilot. Breaking down the key parts. Gather your data sources. Start by connecting everyday tools like Google Docs for those detailed HR reports, Google Sheets for quick sales numbers, and even a simple file spot for marketing PDFs. It pulls everything together seamlessly, so nothing gets missed. Power it with AI. Feed all this info into the AI heart of the agent. It reads, connects the dots, and whips up easy-to-understand summaries that highlight what matters most. Share the insights. Once the magic happens, the agent can save your polished reports straight to a Google Doc and ping your team via Telegram notifications. Keep it interactive with a chat window where you can ask questions and dig deeper. Keep it running smoothly. Wrap everything in a neat package and set it to trigger automatically, like on a schedule, so reports generate without you lifting a finger. Tracking what's happening. Watch your agent in action through Delaverse's built-in analytics dashboard. You'll see logs of every run, how reports are shaping up, and if notifications are landing as they should. Plus, there's a smart analyzer that checks trends over time, like performance dips or growth spikes, helping you stay ahead of the curve without guesswork. Unlocking the benefits. The real win? You're not just generating reports. You're gaining clarity that drives better decisions, saving hours each week and fostering a more connected team. It's like having an extra analyst on staff, empowering you to focus on strategy instead of spreadsheets. Why you'll love it, and next moves. With this Management Reporting and Analysis AI agent, you're equipped to track progress effortlessly, uncover hidden insights, and communicate clearly, all within Delaverse's user-friendly space. It's about making your business smarter and more agile. Give it a spin today, tweak it to your needs, and watch how it transforms your reporting routine. Ready to supercharge your management? Jump in and start building.